got a good picture of Ruby when she was judging back in the day down at the spot landing spot.
Miss Bostic. Here again, Old Faithful.
Ruby.
Ruby don't come, there ain't gonna be no contest, right? You gonna see yourself Christmas time at the Christmas party. That's when you gonna see it. Yeah, I was there when she picked out that nice hat there. I tell you. About with the lights on. Coming back from cross country. Like a piper. He's high, man.
Real high. All right. Talk to y'all later.